Did you know last year in 2021, the average household income for a family of four in the United States was $79,900? How was I, a stay-at-home dad with two boys, able to earn over $150,000? Well, I'm going to share with you coming right up. Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Judd Albring and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I help people like you and me start reliable and profitable online businesses so that you can spend more time with friends and family and just doing what you love to do. If you're into that sort of thing, please consider subscribing so you don't miss a single video that comes out. So I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret right off the bat here. One of the key reasons that I was able to earn over $150,000 last year as a stay-at-home dad was because I have more than one stream of income. I actually have not two, not three, not four, but 6 streams of income. Now, this did not happen overnight. I didn't just wake up, click a button, and make this money. I actually had to put in the work to get to where I am now. So please, full disclaimer, full disclosure, the numbers I'm going to share with you, they're not typical. In fact, most people who get started online don't make a single penny. You have to put in the work. When I first started my online business back in 2016, I actually juggled with a bunch of different things. I tried Facebook ads, I tried selling t-shirts, I even sold restaurant equipment on Amazon, but none of those models worked for me. I made a little bit of money here and there, but in the end, I was still trading time for money, and I didn't want to trade time for money. I wanted to be there for my boys. I wanted to raise them. I wanted to see them grow up, but I also had to make money. And driving for Uber at night and picking up odd jobs on the weekend really took away from what I wanted to be all along, was a stay-at-home dad. Yeah, I was making a little bit of extra money, but I was so tired that it was very difficult to make it through the day. And it was through all these other businesses that I tried, the Facebook ads, the Amazon FBA, that I learned about what's called affiliate marketing. See, affiliate marketing is just promoting other people's products. And a friend of mine told me, hey, why aren't you promoting the products and services that you use right now to try and make money with these other businesses? And I was like, yeah, why am I not doing that? That makes total sense. So I started to really dive into affiliate marketing and I started to consume as much as I could. I watched YouTube videos, I attended webinars, I bought books, I did everything I could to learn this business. And it was a little rough getting off the ground at first. But once I invested in training and I really started to dive into this, everything started to take off for me. Now, in my first year as an affiliate marketer, I actually made 13 cents. That was it. I think I sold a book on Amazon. And then my second year, I started to make $100 here, a couple $100 there. And then coming into my third year, it started to pick up to $1,000 here, $1,000 there. And by my fourth year, things were kind of starting to rock and roll. And really in the past 2 years is when things just started to skyrocket. All that work I've done before is now starting to pay off. It's like planting seeds in a garden, right? You plant the seeds now to bear the fruit later. So let's get into it. As I mentioned, guys, I have 6 different streams of income. 4 of these streams of income are actually affiliate marketing products and services that I promote. One is paid sponsorships and promotions. And then the last one I'm going to share with you guys is my actual YouTube earnings, what YouTube has paid me here on the platform. All right, so let's get into the 6 streams of income. Now, the first one is paid partnerships or sponsorship. And this is where somebody might contact me and say, hey, we like your channel. Would you recommend us in one of your videos, or perhaps have a link to our services and things like that? Now, whenever I do promotions like that, and I really don't do a lot of them, I always say, hey, this is paid for by XYZ, or these people ask me to say this. And to be honest with you, I get emails every single week to do paid promotions or to do affiliate deals where they'll give me a percentage of the product and the service. And 99.9% of the stuff that people send me is crap. I want to make sure I'm giving you guys the best value possible. And I would never recommend something that I wouldn't use myself. In this case, there was a partnership where somebody had contacted me. It aligned with my values and what I do. And this partnership paid me a whopping $500 last year. But hey, that's $500 I didn't have. And I'm sure if I put more time into it, I could probably get more sponsorship deals and partnerships. Next up are my affiliate earnings. Now I actually have 4 affiliate offers that I promote. I have a core product, which I'll talk about in a second, and then I have other products that complement the main product. So whenever you're doing affiliate marketing, you're always going to have your core, or in my case, I call it my high ticket offer. I always promote products and services that I personally use myself or have used in the past. And so I have my core product, and then I have smaller products underneath. These could be things like email automation, funnel builders, website builders, anything to help you grow your business. Now, the first one paid me a whopping $80 last year, and this was an email automation platform. But the great thing about this is going into the new year, that's actually $80 reoccurring. So I'm going to get that $80 every single month. And as new people sign up every month, that number is going to continue to grow. The next affiliate offer paid me $2,629.36. This is a KDP publishing software. It's a great tool that allows you to create your own books online and sell them. And then next up is a tool called ClickFunnels. Maybe you've heard of this. It's a funnel builder. I've actually been using this tool since 2016, and I absolutely love it. I recommend it to anybody who watches my channel who says, hey, how do you build a website, or how do you actually make money online? What tools do you use? I always recommend ClickFunnels because I think it's the best for building an online business. And ClickFunnels last year paid me $18,278. What's great about ClickFunnels is this is reoccurring revenue. So that was the total for last year, but every month it starts to go up and up and up. And what's really cool about a program like ClickFunnels, if you're considering being an affiliate marketer, is that once you get 100 signups for ClickFunnels, not only are you getting paid reoccurring revenue every month, but they actually will pay for your automobile. That's right. It's called the Dream Car Contest. So not only are you getting reoccurring revenue, but they're also going to pay for a lease on your car every single month. How cool is that? So it's not just money. You also get toys and prizes as an affiliate marketer. And last up is my core product and service that I promote, which is an affiliate marketing training, teaching people how to do exactly what I do here, which is teaching people how to do exactly what I do, which is affiliate marketing, because I think it is hands down the best model, especially for parents, right? If you want to be able to juggle the family life and the home life, but also build an online business, affiliate marketing is a great way to go. This particular program paid me $66,265, which is pretty amazing. And it's only going up, up, and up. And last but not least, guys, what you've all been waiting for is how much did YouTube pay me last year? A couple things before I share this number with you guys. Now, you have to understand that YouTube pays per 1,000 impressions, and depending on the niche you're in, you might get more or less. They say the average is between $2 to $4. I'm in the finance niche or the make money online or work from home niche, so people are willing to spend more money to advertise on my videos and channels. I might make $20 to $25 per 1,000 impressions, which is pretty amazing. Now, that being said, if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you don't want to start a channel because you're going to get paid more per 1,000 impressions. You never want to rely on AdSense money from YouTube. There's many different ways to monetize a channel, and I'll save that for another video. Last year, YouTube paid me a whopping $98,000, actually a little bit more than that, which is absolutely amazing. Now, you'll see by the chart, I didn't make a lot in the beginning. It started to kind of peak up midway through the year. So most of that money was made in about half of the year. Again, I started my channel, guys, back in 2016. So I went years making $20 a month, $50 a month, $100 a month. But the key is I never gave up, and I kept at it. So if you're thinking about getting started online with an online business or a YouTube channel, you just gotta stick with it. You can't give up because you never know when it's gonna hit. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that valuable. I wanna be transparent with you guys. I wanna share with you what's working, what's not working. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, share with friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.